If you want to add or change keyboard language on OPPO Reno 15, first we need to go to Settings. Now once you open Settings, we should be able to scroll down and go to System and Update. After that, we're gonna go to Input Method and then choose Manage Keyboards, and then you want to choose Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. Now we can open languages over here and you should be able to press add keyboard. Now we can search for the language that you want to add to your keyboard. You can also select the layout and you can toggle multilingual typing in case you want to use more than one language on your phone. And then you can tap on done. If you tap on edit in the upper right corner in the languages menu, then you can reorder these languages by grabbing by these lines on the right side, and then you can drag them up or down. And also you can tap on these checkboxes in order to select languages that you want to remove. So if you want to get rid of your old language that you had so far, you can just select it in here and confirm that you want to remove it. Of course, you can keep more than one language on the keyboard. You can just simply switch between them. If you open the keyboard, then you can probably find this keyboard icon here in the bottom right corner. So you can use that, and you can find Gboard with English or Gboard with another language that you have selected, or you can press and hold your finger on the space bar. What you can also do is you can go to Preferences and you can enable language switch key. When you do so, you should be able to find this globe icon over here right next to the spacebar, so you can tap on that globe in order to switch to the next language. Leave a like and subscribe.